Hello student, in the chapter first, today we will discuss boiling point, boiling and boiling point. Okay student, now discuss boiling point, boiling point of a liquid or a liquid when boiled. The question is a liquid when boiled. Dear student, a liquid boil when its vapor pressure, a liquid boil when its vapor pressure equal to atmospheric pressure. The vapor pressure is the pressure which produced by the liquid. Okay, when we heat a liquid, then liquid vaporize. The vapor pressure is the pressure of liquid which are applied by the vapors of liquid. Okay student, so here vapor pressure is equal to atmospheric pressure, then liquid is boiled. Liquid boiling phenomena observed when vapor pressure of liquid is equal to atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure means pressure of the surrounding. Okay, and vapor pressure means pressure applied by the vapors of liquid. Okay student, dear student, the phenomena of the boiling occurs at which temperature? The temperature at which boiling occurs is called boiling point. Dear student, at which temperature boiling process occurs is known as boiling point. Or you say that boiling point is a temperature at which vapor pressure of liquid is equal to atmospheric pressure. Okay student? Dear student, now discuss effect of pressure on boiling point. Dear student, what is the effect of pressure on boiling point? Dear student, higher the pressure, higher the pressure, higher the pressure, higher the boiling point of liquid. प्रेशर जितना ज्यादा होगा बॉइलिंग पॉइंट उतनी ज्यादा होगी. As example, boiling point of water generally at 1 atm. 1 atm is 1 atmospheric pressure. The pressure at which we live is 1 atm, that is 1 atmospheric pressure. Okay student, 1 atmospheric pressure is normal pressure. At 1 atmospheric pressure, the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. Are you know that? Yes. But at altitude, that lies like mountains. अब बहुत ज्यादा ऊंचाई पे चले जाए, जैसे माउंटेन्स पे चले जाए तो क्या होगा? वेपर प्रेशर क्या होता है वहां पे डिक्रीज कर जाता है. तो आपने क्या पढ़ा यहाँ पे? हाइगर वेपर प्रेशर, हाइगर एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर, देन एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर और देन बॉइलिंग पॉइंट भी क्या होगा? वेपर, अगर एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर बढ़ेगा तो बॉइलिंग पॉइंट भी क्या होगा? बढ़ेगा. बॉइलिंग पॉइंट इंक्रीज विद इंक्रीज ऑफ एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर. बट एट हाई एल्टीट्यूड as like mountains, Everest, vapor pressure, atmospheric pressure decreases. So the boiling point of liquid also decreases, and at the mountains boiling point of water is 70 degrees Celsius. Dear student, it is because at mountains atmospheric pressure decreases as compared to normal condition. Okay student, so we say that, so at high altitude you cannot cook rice and pulses because easily. At high altitude you cannot cook rice and pulses easily because the required more टाइम्स टू द हीट। ओके, क्योंकि आप जब हाई एल्टीट्यूड पे जाओगे तो लिक्विड जल्दी से बॉईल हो जाएगा। जितनी हीट रिक्वायर्ड है राइस को बॉईल करने के लिए, राइस को तैयार होने के लिए, पल्स को तैयार होने के लिए, उतनी हीट उसको मिल नहीं पाएगी। इस वजह से वो जल्दी कुक नहीं हो पाएगा। ओके स्टूडेंट, डियर स्टूडेंट, इफेक्ट ऑफ इम्प्योरिटी ऑन बॉइलिंग पॉइंट। व्हाट इज द इफेक्ट ऑफ इम्प्योरिटी ऑन बॉइलिंग पॉइंट? Impurity like non-volatile substance. Dear student, volatile substance, a substance which have lowest boiling point, which is easily vaporized. But a substance which cannot easily vaporized, which have higher boiling point, is known as non-volatile substance. Dear student, in presence of non-volatile substance in liquid as the impurity, the liquid rises the boiling point. अगर किसी लिक्विड में नॉन वोलेटाइल सब्सटेंस मिक्स कर देंगे तो उसकी बॉइलिंग पॉइंट क्या होगी? बढ़ जाएगी, उसकी बॉइलिंग पॉइंट इंक्रीज कर जाएगी। नाउ यू अंडरस्टैंड, at high altitude means at lower pressure boiling point decreases. As a vapor as a atmospheric pressure decreases, then boiling point also decreases. But when you add the impurity non-volatile impurity in liquid, then boiling point increases. Rising boiling point due to presence of non-volatile impurity. Decreasing boiling point due to decrease in atmospheric pressure. Okay student, now discuss difference between the evaporations and boiling. What is the difference between evaporation and boiling? Dear student, evaporation is a spontaneous means self process, spontaneous process occurring at all temperature. कोई स्पेसिफिक टेम्परेचर नहीं होता इसका कि किस टेम्परेचर पे evaporation process होगा. It occurs at all temperature, any temperature. But the boiling occurs at a particular temperature. The temperature is called boiling point. Yes, student, evaporation occurs at any temperature, but boiling occurs only at a particular temperature. The temperature is known as boiling point. Okay. Evaporation occurs at only surface of liquid. Yes, student, evaporation is a surface phenomenon because it occurs on the surface of liquid, only surface of liquid. But boiling occurs throughout the mass of the liquid with the formation of the bubbles. Yes, student, the evaporation occurs at the surface of liquid, but boiling occurs when bubbles come out from the interior, means bulk of liquid. Okay student, evaporation occurs at the surface of liquid, but boiling occurs when bubbles, you know that bubbles come from interior means bulk of liquid. Okay student, now evaporation causes cooling. In case of evaporation, you know that surface are cooled, but in case of boiling does not cooling effect. Evaporation causes cooling, but due to boiling, no cooling effect. Okay student, dear student, take a screenshot of the given content on whiteboard and write down in your notebook and read your NCERT book. Thank you very much.